here's something we hope you'll really like.
But there is one voice that has never been heard before. The voice of old Mr. World himself. The way he might sound if he could speak to us in our own language. Mr. World, how was this wonderful, orderly Earth of ours formed in the first place? And how long has it been going on?
Well, if a few people do decide to swing one way or another, it might actually pass.
This property was used to grow or manufacture marijuana.
And the judge said he needed a timeout, so he took his belt and his shoes and his tie and put him in the lockup.
We're traveling through a dimension both of sound and ideas. We're at a place where the mind can comprehend and devise a wireless transmitter, measure time and light. Astonishing? Perhaps. But you can find it in a place that's known as...
Attention, ladies and gentlemen. The Planet Green Trees Show is underway with your host, attorney Michael Camore. The Planet Green Trees Show.
Join the Michigan Medical Marijuana Association today. MichiganMedicalMarijuana.org. The MMMA is focused on the well-being and safety of medical marijuana patients. The MMMA site provides the most comprehensive and up-to-date news on legal issues, politics, research, cultivation, as well as the various strange products and methods of cannabis use. Come join the discussion with the most knowledgeable and passionate advocates in Michigan today. MichiganMedicalMarijuana.org.
And now back to more Planet Green Trees. Attention. Get ready to write down a very important number.
Michael does not know how to fail. Second place is loser.
If you have a medical marijuana case and need legal representation, call the best, attorney Michael Camore.
He's very passionate in the courtroom.
Getting the best outcome requires quick legal action, and it needs to start with one call, toll-free to attorney Michael Camore. 800-656-3557. Write it down, 800-656-3557.
Michael Camore gave us our life back.
Attorney Michael Camore. Vigorous criminal defense. Here's Michael Camore with more Planet Green Trees.
The Planet Green Trees Show is produced in association with and made possible by the Michigan Medical Marijuana